Welcome to the month of March, the month of restoration here in Kingdom Arena. I have good news for you. It is in the nature of our God to restore what His people have lost, because we are living in a world of disasters, a world that is ridden with sin, which eventually causes disasters, which eventually causes all kinds of losses. So the message of God to Joel says in Joel chapter 2, verse 25, He says, "So I will restore to you the years that the swarming locust has eaten, the crawling locust, the consuming locust, and the chewing locust, my great army which I set among you." Now, there are 4 kinds of different locusts mentioned here. I don't have the time to be able to expatiate on this, but what you must also understand is this: anything that has eaten into your joy, that has eaten into your life, God is saying the time for restoration has come. And this month has been prophetically declared as the month of restoration. So I pray that you will experience the restoration of joy, restoration of peace in your home, in your body, restoration of lost years, wasted opportunities. That at this point in time, suddenly the Lord will open your eyes to see that what is possible for you to recover from, that you will have a great recovery this month in the name of Jesus Christ. Expectation matters in receiving from the Lord, because your faith only works for you if you release it. So I ask you to release your faith to receive restoration from the Lord. And so it shall be for you, that your mouth will be filled with laughter, and your tongue will sing, your feet will dancing, as God restores you this very month in the name of Jesus. Thank you.